Good afternoon, my name's Emma Phillips and I would like to present an improvement strategy to the professional learning team that will assist with the implementation of a chemical science unit. A change of state between solid and liquid can be caused by adding or removing heat. It will show student progress that can meet the needs of English as a second language students and also Indigenous students, both with literacy levels below benchmark. Using Green's 3D model of literacy can support the team deconstruct the scientific text according to three overlapping dimensions, which are operational, cultural and critical. They provide holistic teaching and learning through independence and integration, each complementing the other. Operational emphasises language. There are valuable strategies to support the students. For example, teaching complex science vocabulary, such as the property of a liquid, can be achieved by using Mazzano's 6-step process, which allows students to provide a description, explanation, or example of the new term. Teachers are able to ask students if they are able to restate the description, explanation, or example in their own words. This is an effective scaffolding strategy, especially when learning a new scientific word. Connecting scientific ideas with daily experiences through discussion and carefully selected questions makes it easier to support students that have difficulty with reading and writing. Introducing the use of contextual science for specific vocabulary benefits students, where spoken language interactions are important to literacy development. This also allows students to be immersed in their learning, and this is vital with ESL students. In order to achieve the learning outcomes within the Australian curriculum, applying the 5Es model would be advantageous, which are engage, explore, explain, elaborate and evaluate. And these can be used to sequence lessons. It allows students to use their prior knowledge and hands-on experience. In order to engage the students, they could melt chocolate as an experiment to meet the learning outcome. It is important that warm-up activities at the beginning of the lesson takes place, perhaps recapping on previously newly learnt vocabulary. Students are able to explore the concept using hands-on activities such as experiment, explain the experiment, and after they've experienced it, then elaborate and apply what they have learnt, and finally evaluate or review their own learning. To end, for students to be successful, the teaching team needs to engage them in literacy practices that makes investigation, comprehension and communication of scientific ideas possible. This can be achieved following Green's 3D model of literacy and also following the 5Es teaching and learning model. These allow students to collaborate, link prior knowledge and experiments to enable them to construct new knowledge and improve their literacy. Thank you for listening.